Okay, now we're up to the step where we're going to create the pages in our site. So let's jump back into Dreamweaver. Right now, your site looks like this, except you've customized your colors, which I have not done here. And you have all this text, and that text is linked to the appropriate pages. So we want to create all those pages. Right now, if you look down at your site windows at the bottom right, we only have the index page in our style sheet. We need to create facts, photos, events, newsletter, contact, and survey. So the easiest way to do this is just go to File, Save As, and we want to create and I'm going to do this in order, your facts page. So you just type facts, it's already at save as type HTML, and you say save. And since we define the site, it automatically saves to our site folder file folder, excuse me, which is final project. And to see that, you just hit this refresh arrow, and you'll see that we now have the facts page. So you're going to repeat that for each of those pages. File, save as. We're now up to photos. Make sure you spell it exactly the way you have it in the link. Otherwise, when the browser tries to go to that page, if you click on it, it won't find it. Refresh. There we go. There is our photos page. Next page, File, Save As, is Events. Save. File, Save As, Newsletter. Save. File, Save As, Contact. Save. File, Save As, Survey. And we save. Again, if I refresh that window, I can drag it up a little if I need to see more. Okay, I see all the pages. And you could sort by file type, because you see a style is nested in between all these. If I click on the type, okay, you'll notice style comes at the top, and I see all my HTML files below it. So if I go into design view, here I am. And if you look at the top of the page here, you see I have all those pages open. Index, facts, photos, events, newsletter, contact, and right now I'm on my survey page. So I would go in here, and on each title area, I would type the name of the page, survey, Control S to save. Contact, I would change the title of my page here to contact. I'm titling each of my pages, and you'll notice, let's see, let me change that. Contact, and I hit save, and you'll notice right here in the code, the title, and this is the tab that you see in your browser, newsletter, change that, newsletter. Okay, and again it changes in the title tag right here, newsletter. Control S to save. Events, save. Photos, save. Facts, save. And then index should be your home page and your title. So now I'm going to go into design view. I'm back in my index page, and now in preparation for our next lesson, or a set of instructions here, we're going to delete the site name. You're going to create your header image for this header area, and when you create it, save it in this file folder so it shows up here in your files, bottom right, and you're going to drag and drop that image to the top of each of these pages after you delete that text, and you're going to resave them. Okay, and you should be ready to start putting content on the page. And again, make sure you modify the copyright footer area. Give it the name of the site, give it the date. Okay, and you're good to go and start developing. I don't think you're going to need many more videos. And again, when you get to the part where you're filling in the content for each page, consider using a table to either show or hide the borders of that table to control the layout. And you can actually include more on the page that way. Okay, good luck.